For everyone who wants to look a lot younger, for everyone who wants to erase age skin spots, this natural remedies is for you. In today's video, I'm going to recommend you something called acerola or Mapigia emaginata, also known as a barbados cherry. It's a small, bright red fruit native to Central and South America. Celebrated for its extraordinary vitamin C content and rich antioxidant profile, acerola has been treasured remedy in traditional medicine for promoting skin health and combating the visible sign of aging. Acerola is exceptionally rich in vitamin C, up to 100 times more than oranges. These potential antioxidants play a crucial role in collagen synthesis, which helps maintain skin elasticity and reduce the appearances of fine lines and wrinkles. Moreover, vitamin C protects the skin from oxidative stress caused by ultraviolet exposure and environmental pollutants. And not just vitamin C, this perfect fruit had also a lot in their compounds, something called vitamin E, vitamin B, and many other unbelievable nutritional benefits for our body. Also, acerola antioxidant power also extends to reducing hyperpigmentation, age spot or liver spot from the melanin production becomes uneven with age. Acerola helps inhibit excess melanin production, lightening those dark spots over time for more even skin tone. Recommended dosage and the usage. Acerola can be consumed in various forms: fresh fruit, juice, powder or extract. For skin health, a typical daily dose, powder or extract, is 1 to 3 grams per day. Fresh fruit, 3 to 5 cherry daily. Juice, 50 to 100 milligrams daily. When using acerola supplements, it's advisable to start with a lower dose and gradually increase. A high vitamin C intake may cause digestive upset in some individuals. Simple acerola recipes for radiant skin. Acerola smoothie: 1 cup fresh acerola cherries or 2 tablespoons acerola powder. 1 banana, 1/2 cup coconut water, 1 tablespoon honey. Blend until smooth. Enjoy daily. This smoothie you can drink one time daily, 15 days in a row with 15 days rest period. So this is my recommendation for today's video. If you want to learn a lot more about natural remedies that can help you for your age skin spots and erase wrinkles, watch my video right here. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.